this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and Fabric Friday. Doing a plan for oven gloves. I don't know whether I'll be giving these my mother or giving them myself. Depends on how they work out. But I've got this material and it's got thick bands in it. I thought that's ideal for oven gloves. So I've just been working out, as I normally do with things, working out what I need, and I'll cut them all out and then I'll go through with you. I'll go through with you what I've cut out and what I've got and what I think I need. I've cut out and laid out all the bits that I need. I've got one strip that's about 8 inches wide by about 35-36 inches long. I've got two small bits of this Insulbrite, which are about 9x9. They're bigger than I need because I can always trim it down. I don't want to be adding to it, so they go on. I've got a piece of wadding batting, which is a bit bigger than that first long strip, which was 36x8, so this is about 37x9. I will want then a lining fabric, and these two I am going to sew to these smaller ones, so they'll be attached, and that'll be the main body. And then on top of here will go the actual bit that goes around your hand, so that's a liner, a piece of wadding batting, and the outer. So you'll be sliding your hand in there, so the Insulbrite will be there to protect your hands, and it'll be exactly the same on this side. Now, because I haven't got bias binding, I'm not going to round these edges off because it won't really go round as well. So I'll just do squarish. I've cut some lengths for the binding, 2.5 inches wide by the full length of the fabric, and I did make a mistake. I didn't count properly, so I've also got a 2-inch strip. I did say I'll show you my mistakes. So I don't know how well it picked it up light-wise, but that's, I'll use that for something. So I'm now going to get sewing these together. The first thing I'll be doing is sew these two lining pieces to that edge. So when I come to a convenient bit, I'll show you what I've done. What I've actually done now is I took these, first of all, I run a little basting stitch. It's a bit dark in here, isn't it? Oops, how's there? Yep, first of all I ran a basting stitch just down the edge to hold the quilting mat together, because I don't want to quilt these. You can do straight lines, free motion quilting, whatever you want to. I don't want to on these. And then I put on binding across just one edge. So that's them. I did the same with this. And these I trimmed down to size. I've just one stitch all the way along both the sides, and I'm going to trim it all up now. Get that one there, that one there, get me binding, and put me binding on all the way round, and then they're done. So I'll show you when that's done. I've now put the binding on all the way round. I had a bit of difficulty. I was going to a pattern, fancy pattern, but it really went funny on me. It was too big and bulky in places for it. When I switched back to the straight stitch, that was no problem at all. It's there, it's done. They'll work as oven gloves, they'll do brilliant for me. And now I know exactly how to do them. I'll make another pair for a pressie for someone. It's a shame I use this material though, because I was going to use it for some oven gloves for my mother, but never mind, she'll have something else. I'll have these because my oven gloves are beginning to go. So yeah, that's it, done. Thank you.